Ever feel like your money's vanished into thin air? Like you accidentally sent crypto to the wrong address, or maybe, just maybe, you're dealing with a scam? Well, if you're using Beam Wallet, you're not alone. Today, we're diving deep into the murky waters of recovering your lost funds. Buckle up, because this might get a little technical. First things first, let's understand why recovering funds can be tricky. Beam, like many cryptocurrencies, operates on a decentralized blockchain. This means transactions are irreversible. Once you send funds, they're essentially gone. But fear not, there are still avenues to explore. Common scenarios and solutions. Accidental transfers. If you simply sent Beam to the wrong address, you might be out of luck. However, if the recipient is honest, you might be able to negotiate a return. Try contacting them. Reach out to the recipient via any available means, if possible. Explain the situation and politely request the return of your funds. Explore blockchain analysis. If the recipient is active on the blockchain, you might be able to track their activity and potentially identify other addresses they control. Scammed. If you fell victim to a scam, the situation is more complex. Report the scam. File a report with the relevant authorities, local law enforcement, and potentially the relevant cryptocurrency exchange. Gather evidence. Document all interactions with the scammer, including screenshots and transaction records. Seek legal counsel. Consult with a lawyer specializing in cryptocurrency and cybercrime. They can advise you on the legal options available to you. Technical glitches. In rare cases, technical glitches within the Beam Wallet software itself might lead to unexpected issues. Contact Beam support. Reach out to the official Beam support channels, usually via their website or social media, and explain the problem in detail. Check for updates. Ensure your Beam Wallet is updated to the latest version, as updates often include bug fixes and security improvements. Important considerations. No guarantees. It's crucial to understand that there are no guarantees of recovering your funds. The success of your recovery efforts will depend on various factors, including the nature of the issue, the cooperation of others involved, and the specific circumstances of your case. Prevention is key. The best way to avoid losing your funds is to take preventative measures. Double-check addresses. Always double and triple check the recipient's address before sending any funds. Use trusted platforms. Only use reputable exchanges and wallets. Be wary of scams. Be cautious of unsolicited offers, phishing attempts, and suspicious websites. Enable two-factor authentication. 2FA 2FA adds an extra layer of security to your wallet, making it harder for hackers to access your funds. Community support and resources. Engage with the Beam community. The Beam community can be a valuable resource. Join relevant forums, Telegram groups, or Discord servers to connect with other Beam users and seek advice. Explore third-party recovery services. While not always foolproof, some third-party recovery services specialize in helping users recover lost or stolen cryptocurrencies. This information is for educational and informational purposes only and should not be construed as financial or legal advice. The cryptocurrency market is highly volatile, and the value of your investments can fluctuate significantly. Always do your own research and consult with a qualified professional before making any investment decisions. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, stay safe and stay informed in the ever-evolving world of cryptocurrency.